Hi friends, it's Miss Hazel.
And Miss Kate.
And we're back again with another fun project that you can do at home, probably with things that you have around your house. So it's a weaving project. You could hang it on the wall. I'm going to use this one as our example, but I'm going to show you how I got there. So, because it's a little bit messy, I brought a box and I brought my scissors, my choppers from home. I used a kind of big branch from the neighborhood. Here it is. But I picked it a couple days ago, so the leaves are kind of a little bit dry, but I'm going to clean it off. I think I'm just going to cut this last little bit off. Just cut a little, so you want some kind of a stick. This is a kind of a big one. It doesn't need to be that big, but you're going to twist it. I cut it a couple days ago. Hopefully it's not going to break. You want to do this with a twig that's not completely dry, like that. Okay, so then you're going to sort of make your shape. Okay, I'm just going to use some yarn and I'm going to wrap it around super tight. I'm just going to knot it on there to hold this together, because once it dries, it'll just stay that shape. Okay, so I've knotted it on to hold them together. I'm going to trim the extra piece. And then I'm going to use my little ball of yarn and I'm going to go up and make my frame go around so then it sort of locks in, right? All those little branches that I cut off are almost acting like little spots where I know where to go with my string. I'm feeling like that's going to be a good spot, and I'm going to cut it off thing and make a little knot. Although this looks like a tennis racket a little bit.
It does.
So now I have my my warp, and then I've got some fabric from our old fabric bin. Go start at the end and make a knot to hold it. And then you're gonna, I think it's best if you maybe like ball it up. And then you're gonna go over and under, over and under. I think that this could be a nice ornament for your door, like, because it's not gonna be weathered, right? It's a stick and yarn. It might fade a little bit. I'm going to use this last piece because it's got this nice red. All right, and I'm just tucking the edges in, but I kind of really like
great.
that. Okay, that's kind of pretty cool.
Yeah,
So
that's fun.
I made a big fat mess, but that is kind of a nice weaving project you could do with some sticks that you might find in your neighborhood, and you could give it as a holiday gift. You could do it with holiday colors, or you could just have it be kind of a fall weaving. So that's what I have for you today. A little fall weaving project. Thank you for joining. If you do try to make something like this, we would love to see what it looks like. So you could tag us on Alameda Arts Fun.
On Instagram.
On Instagram, yeah. Anyway, something like that. All right, thanks for joining.
Thanks, everyone.
All right,
See you
bye,
soon.
friends.